What's going on, my people? Today we bring you original recipe. This is the original recipe I'm bringing you today. I'm going to be doing turkey boil. Believe it or not, yeah, turkey boil. Yeah, I made it up. Yeah, today we're going to be doing a turkey boil. First thing we're going to be doing, we're going to be browning this turkey, and then we're going to combine it with all the veggies I got over here. And then we're gonna get a nice flavor to it, and we're gonna put it in the oven. So today we're gonna be seasoning our meat with some garlic powder. And today we're gonna get this nice and seasoned, nice and lovely, because we're gonna fry it, and then we're gonna put it in the oven. So we're gonna have some liquid on it. So it's okay if you over season. It's okay if you over season on this one. I'm gonna put some black pepper on it. I'm gonna put a little bit of complete. I'll put some red pepper on it. Of course, you guys know my favorite, Old Bay seasoning. Let's go. Turkey boil, y'all. Slap your mom and call me silly. Turkey boil. So, we're gonna mix this up. Got my grease over there on hot. So let's go ahead and mix this up so everything can get nice and seasoned together.
I want to put a little salad in here too.
So we got the turkey frying here, nice and lovely. Gonna let it fry for a little bit. We turn on the oven. We set it at 350 degrees. So we're gonna fry this turkey up just to get a nice color going. I'm really looking for the color. That's all I really care about. We're not trying to cook it right here. We're not trying to cook it. We're not trying to over fry it either. We're trying to get a nice little color going. Looking so nice and lovely, my people. So right here, we're gonna give it another flip. So we're gonna give it one more flip before we take it out. Looking so nice and lovely, my people. Looking so nice and lovely. And we got some folks in the back talking during my production. But it's all good. The show must go on. Appreciate everybody for tuning in to my channel. Turkey boil. Am I out of my mind? What in the hell is a turkey boil? You guys will see. You guys will see. So we're gonna start to prepare the dish for the boil right now. We got some corn in here. I'm gonna add some potatoes. And we're gonna have to do two separate things because it's more than what I expected. I'm gonna add a little green banana in there. You don't have to use this. It's like a Caribbean thing. Yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, my peoples. Now it's time to start taking out my turkey one by one. We're gonna let this thing drain on over here. Gonna let it drain. So we're gonna go ahead and take this out. This is where we gotta pay attention, people. So we're gonna add the meat in here. We're gonna do this nice and lovely, real nice and quick. Real nice and slick. Real nice and easy. Take it easy right there. We're gonna add the meat in here. Yeah, look at that, look at that, look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that, look at that. Don't mind the talking in my production, in the background of my production. We got some folks interrupting in the background of my production, but it's okay. We do not get paid. So, look at that. Look at that, oh my God. Look at that. So, what we're gonna do right now, so we're gonna add some sweet marinade in this. Let's go, people. Don't be shy. This is the nitty gritty. This is the part right here. You gotta pay attention. This is what separates the cooks, the originals, from the. Put some soy sauce in here. Let's go. Don't be shy with it. Yeah, we're gonna do this. Yeah. Yeah. So now, what we gonna do now? Now we're gonna add some of this in there, and then we're gonna put some water, and then we're gonna cover it, and we're gonna let it put it in the oven for an hour. Let's go. So let's go. Let's do it. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You guys don't even know what y'all looking at, but look at that. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add some water to this. Yeah, don't be shy with the water. Don't be shy with the water. We need to cook all this veggies here. Nice and lovely. Don't be shy with the liquid. Don't be shy with the water. Yeah. Let's get it popping, rocking, and rolling. Yeah, let everything mix up. We're gonna cover this with some aluminum foil, and then we're gonna see what happens afterwards. Let's go.
Yeah, you don't have to watch TV as like a family with your family.
Turkey boil, y'all.
Watch TV with everybody.
What the hell is a turkey boil? So we just took this out of the oven. Let's take a look at what we got. Let's take a look at what we got. Look at that, 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 look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Looking so nice and lovely. Time to do a taste test. Looking so lovely, y'all. There you go, my people. Took a taste test. Came out really, really good. Make sure you give this recipe a try.